So we have this idiom, throw the baby out with the bathwater. What does this idiom mean? Does it mean you should actually toss the baby out with the dirty water? Of course not. It means to lose valuable things in your attempt to get rid of what is not wanted. Let us see some examples of this. Example 1. Janet quitting her job because her ex started working there is a classic example of throwing out the baby with the bathwater. So the valuable thing here is a job, while the thing she's trying to get rid of is her ex. Damn, Jeanette's ex must have really done something bad. Example 2. My boss fired everyone because some people were stealing company funds and therefore throwing the baby out with the bath water. So my boss was trying to get rid of the people that were stealing company funds, but in the process he fired everyone. He fired the good workers, he fired the workers loyal to him, and therefore he threw the baby out with the bath water. Example 3, which is the last example. Danny, don't throw the baby out with the bath water by moving out of your home because you had a fight with your brother. So Danny here is trying to get rid of his brother by moving out of his home. So he's leaving his dad, he's leaving his siblings. So he's throwing the baby out with the bath water. You get the idea. So this idiom you're talking about is informal. So don't use this idiom in a formal speech or formal writing. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in my next video with another weird idiom.